What's going on, loved ones? Sunny Daisy here. As hot as the sun, as delicate as the daisy, and everything in between. Um, I woke up with something on my mind and I wrote it down in my journal. I want to read it to you. Um, it says, God does not judge. So why would God have rules? I know some people say only God can judge me, but God don't judge. Come as you are, right? So God does not judge. So why would God have rules? You are accepted as you are. There are no rules. Man made laws because you can't make rules for nature. Everything is done in love, even hate. It's all done with passion. We are energy and nature combined to have this amazing experience journey. Yes, this is an experience journey. We are here to observe, accept things as they are, and have a wonderful self experience. I think that's true and it's clear. I don't think I need to say anything else. Love and peace, because it's always love come first. Keep shining, loved ones. My handshake. I love you all. Peace.